In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use split column functions in Power BI. So see here, in the last lesson, we had made two columns. One is the gender, population male, population female, and then same thing, population male and female, and so on. So in this column, in gender column, you can see the population word is there. We do not want this word population. So here I am going to use a split function. So what you have to do, just select this column, and in the transform tab you will see split column function is there. Same function you can find out from the home tab, and this is the split column. So from transform tab and home tab you can have split column function. Open this, you can have several functions. I will show you couple and then you have to do your own. So first is by delimiter, by number of characters, by positions, and so on. So I am going to show you by number of characters. Click on number of characters. So see, the word population has 10 characters. If I will write down 10, it will split this column into two columns. One column will be population and second will be male and female. And then press OK. So you will see in few seconds we can have two columns now, and in applied steps you can see the split columns by position is also here. So see here, this is our gender and this is gender 2, population male female. Actually we want this column, we do not want this column, so we can delete this column. But I want to show you one more thing, that is why I am going to undo this operation from applied steps. So these are my applied steps, you can see. Again this is undo. So again go to the split column. Here I am going to show you what is by delimiter. Click on by delimiter. Here we do not have any delimiter except the space, because we have space between these two words, population male, population female. That is why you can see here a space is here. Sometimes if we have a dot here, or if we have a hyphen or underscore, whatever, it will show you here. If we have two or three, suppose, delimiters, then you have to make separate columns by leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter. Here I am going to apply each occurrences of the delimiter in our case, because the space is between, there is only one space between population and male. When I am going to click this, you can see the same column is divided into two columns, and this was our requirement. So this column I have to delete, right click, remove, otherwise go to the home tab and remove column. So now you can see the name of this is gender 2. Gender 2 we do not want, gender is fine. So now we have a good data. The shape of the data is good, male and female, right? So what is next step? We will see in the next lesson. Meanwhile, you have to practice it. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.